Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize the client supplementary data feature, which allows you to enter additional information on your client. You'll be able to augment the data provided by life and annuity carriers, ensuring that you have the most accurate information on your clients. First, navigate to any policy owner profile of your choosing. Then click on the Client Info tab. If you haven't entered any additional information on your client yet, then click on this blue Add Contact Info button to get started. Here, you'll be able to add various types of information on your client, such as additional contact information, including email addresses and phone numbers, employment information, partner and spouse details, dependent information, as well as high-level details on their net worth and their income. Remember when adding this information to click on the Save button at the bottom right so that all of your additions are captured. By keeping client supplementary data up to date in NIC, you gain a more complete view of each client, enabling more personalized conversations and a higher level of service. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.